Maharaj my question is, how should we youth balance both our career and personal development? How should we progress towards our development?
Until the child is not in spiritual life, until then you can move towards destruction, but moving towards development is not possible. What you see here is all destruction. You can earn money by dishonest means. You can become a doctor by giving a bribe or obtain a position. But all of that is destruction. A few days later, when your life departs, the body will be left, the position will be left, the bank balance will be left. So should we call this development or destruction? Consider it. Development is when our progress in this world and beyond is good. We attain God, or by God's grace, our birth becomes such that we perform noble deeds, have virtuous qualities, help others, and bring happiness to society. For this, spirituality is necessary. If we are not connected to spirituality and do not follow the scriptures, see how dirty the environment is in the New Ages. Isn't it increasing, getting intoxicated and doing these dirty things, forming such inappropriate relationships with many girls, many boys? What is all this? The girlfriend-boyfriend culture. Is this leading towards destruction or development? Think about it. Destroying celibacy, destroying purity, giving the mind bad values, these are leading towards destruction. Then comes addiction, and then arrogance for addiction, committing violence, stealing, tormenting your parents. These are all destructive acts. Child, if we want both worldly and spiritual progress, we should connect with spirituality. We should listen to discourses, study scriptures, chant the name of God, and serve our parents and elders. We should believe that with their blessings we will advance. Our elders should treat them like God. If we receive their blessings, then God's blessing. If their benevolent feelings towards us remain, then both our social and spiritual progress will continue. Our chanting, scripture study, satsang, and service will elevate our life. And if these are not part of someone's life, then it is heading towards destruction. Even if they think they are moving towards development, this is not development, this is destruction. When should we look at the end? Wise people look at the outcome. A fool looks at the present happiness. The wise person thinks about the future, questioning what the result of their actions will be. What will be its future? The wise one looks at the outcome. So whatever outcome is here, it's all destruction. There is, if we did not worship God, did not practice good conduct, could not maintain peace and love in the family, for society, well, if we could not bring happiness through altruism, then our life only gained destruction and ruin. Nothing eternal was achieved. The eternal is God's name, God's meditation, contemplating God, and serving society with divinity. Can you understand? Yes.